Love you, Aquarius. This is your relationship message for today, Aquarius. Hope you're having a lovely day. And this is your relationship card, and it says, "Imagine." And let's straight away jump into the relationship message and see what it says. In matters of the heart, Aquarius, it's easy to daydream about another as a means of connecting to that person. While that's romantic, if you want this relationship to be real, you need to go for it, not just dream about it. Now is the time to move beyond the daydream and into reality, beyond illusion and into fruition. Relationships are about relating. So step out, come onto the dance floor where imagination partners with manifestation. The message of this card is that a person with attributes you have imagined will enter your life. You will be changed for the better. Imagine that, Aquarius. And this is your relationship message for today, Aquarius. I'll see you all tomorrow with another relationship message. After this, I'll be doing a pick a card reading. Please watch out for the pick a card reading, Aquarius.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Whichever you choose, you can watch that, guys. So I'll be silent for a few seconds and we will start with the first card. You can think about the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, whatever clarity you need. So these cards may answer that, guys. So let's start after a few seconds, guys. So let's start with the first card. I will keep it here. Let's see what is the card. It's an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us today, guys. So the energy with this card, this angel, Archangel Shamuel, stands for purity of true love and unconditional love, love for self and love for others. She assists us in seeing the beauty of our own soul in order to see the beauty of others at the heart level, guys. So, this angel helps us with our struggles, with our relationship with our friends or with our loved ones, whatever struggles we are facing, and giving us insight into repairing these wounded relationships and helping us to recover from broken relationships. And this card stands for that guidance. So, how we have to behave with people in our life, that non judgmental behavior we should adapt in our life and find that common ground, respect, and compassion for their personal journeys, whoever are there in our life with us, our friends and family. So, we should be non judgmental towards them. And also, this angel brings families, friends, and communities together, bringing peace at all levels. And the meaning of this card is that we have to love others. For that, first, we should love ourselves. We should be non judgmental and we should never be critical. We should never have that self criticism. So, that is the meaning of this card for those who have chosen this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's see what is the second card with the other deck. It's Snake. So this card means that in your situation today, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, It appears that you are greatly attracted to someone, and this person is really sweet and innocent, but in truth, they are a great threat. You have to be really careful with them, with this person. So, this card just warns us that appearances are deceiving, and people who appear as friends and allies may not be that true in that true form, guys. So, people who are there with you, maybe your friends or allies you believe, are simply undermining you or treating you badly because of jealousy or some resentments or sheer ambition. So, you have to be really careful today, guys, in your situation. Maybe in your life, there are people who cannot be trusted. So you should not go for appearances and taken by somebody's charm. They may have their own agenda. Maybe this person or maybe someone in your family. You have to be really careful, guys. This is the time for you to keep your eyes open and see the situation for what it really is, and not be blinded by their appearance or blinded by that attraction you have towards them or that love that is surging up in you when you see them, because they may have their own plans and they may have their own reasons to be in this connection with you. So you need to be really careful. So that is what I see for those who have chosen this card, the second card, guys. They are not to be trusted. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.